Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Northern County in south central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Central Union County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 1:15 p.m. At 11:58 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Central to Creamerton near Black Lake ever to Berlin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville and Muskoka exits, specifically for mile markers 226 to 247. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 151 and 184, and for mile markers 187 to 230. Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 59, between mile markers 61 and 64, and for mile markers 106 to 139. This snow squall will be near Central, Waller, Jameson City, Fort Trevorton, and Miserville around noon. Crystal Springs, Valley High, Rebec, and Urban around 12:10 p.m. Harrisonville, Leckville, Columbia, Trevorton, Louisville, Colonel Deming State Park, Fairview, Ferndale, Sagamore West, Quakerstown, and Stonington around 12:10 p.m. McConaughey, Hamilton, Fort Loudon,